So first off, I'm going to start by prepping my face, and I'm going to go in with my Milk Hydra Grip Primer, and I'm just going to take a little bit. By the way, don't mind my nail, my broken nail, because these are my real nails, and for some reason I bumped this on the pillow, just barely bumped it, and my nail broke in two. Trust me, I saw the moon and the star and possibly Jesus, okay? It hurt so bad, I literally cried. So I took the band-aid off just so it doesn't look too grossed out. I'm trying to heal it, girl, because it hurts like hell. So now that my face is tacky, I'm gonna go in with both my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, and this is their Luminous foundation, and my Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation. I like to mix both of these because I think that the combination is very pretty, so I like to mix both of them. Now I'm gonna blend this out with my It's Cosmetic foundation brush, and I am so proud of myself because I literally wash my brushes under 10 minutes and dry them. So I found a new way how I can wash my brushes if I'm in a rush and I don't want to use any dirty brushes. So I might put out a video on that, how I did that to get them cleaned and dry, like literally under 10 minutes. So to conceal and highlight my face, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chai. And to top it off, just to highlight it a little bit further, I'm going to go in with my Dose of Color concealer in the shade 21 Dark. And I'm just going to blend this out. Like, there's nothing better than some clean brushes. I don't know if anyone made this video already. I thought of this idea how to clean your brushes like under 10 minutes, but this is just super dope. If somebody else came up with this, I'm gonna check YouTube. Kudos to you, because this is life-changing. Because with this method, there's no reason to be doing your makeup with dirty brushes because it's so unsanitary. So I am possibly going to try to make a video on it. If somebody else did it, well then it is what it is. But I'm so happy that I found a remedy that can really help me to wash my brushes under 10 minutes. And I'm gonna contour a little bit. I mean, I don't usually do this. I have this mastic for a long time from Fenty Beauty since they came out with it, and trust me, I used to use this religiously, but now I don't really contour this much. But since I'm doing a full glam, I'm gonna go in and contour a little bit. I'm going to chisel my jawline area just to slim me down a little bit, because when I'm gaining weight, I gain weight all up in my face and my neck area for some reason. It's just doing too much. And I'm going to blend this out with the same brush. Let me know, like, if whenever you're doing your makeup, do you ever experience like runny nose and your eyes running water all the time? Like, what's the deal with that? Let me know if I'm the only one that's a weirdo. So to blend everything in together and take away the streakiness of the brush, I'm gonna go in with my Clean Beauty blender, thank you, and tap that in just a bit. Forgive my mustache, I'm not shaving it today, okay? Just have to deal. So I'm going to set the highlighted area with my Beauty Bakerie setting powder in the shade Almond. This powder trying to take me out. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with my MAC Deep Dark Mineralized Skin Finish setting powder. Like, I'm just transitioning from ugly to cute. I love to see it. So I'm going to bronze a bit with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy. For blush, I'm going to use the matte blush in the shade Raisin. This is my go-to blush. I should probably try to switch it up, but I just really love this one so much. It's so pretty. And I do get overstimulated with this. I can just apply blushes all day. Just love it. Gonna do my brows. I mean, I need to shave my brows, but yeah. This is truly a disaster, but I'm gonna let it work. And I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Dip Powder in the shade Ebony. just gonna put some edge control on my brows. I can't get up for my Morphe. I don't know what's called. What is it called? I have no idea. I don't remember. But I'm gonna use this one. It's the damn same thing, isn't it? And this edge control is the Lotta Body Tame Me edge control, the ghetto, but I just don't want to get up. It seems to be edging the brows, okay? I ain't moving, child. This better work. But to clean it up, I'm gonna use my Pretty Vulgar concealer in the shade 297H. So for my eyelids, I'm going to prime them with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and this is the original one. Shout out to all my hooded highs people out there, because trust me, the struggle is real when you are hooded hided. Hooded hided. Hooded hided. When you have hooded eyes, the struggle is real. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use my Natasha Denona Glam palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade called Outer Eyelid and just put this at the outer eyelid, obviously, and into the crease area. I'm gonna go in with the shade Smoke right over here and just put this in the crease also. And I'm gonna blend it out with this shade right here called Blend, of course. For my lid area, I'm gonna go in with this shade called Center Lid right here. And on top, I'm gonna go with this shade right here called Brow Bone. I'm gonna feather it out a bit because I don't want it to be so bright. I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush, or the one that I previously used, just to diffuse it a bit because I don't like it just bam in your face. That's just me. I like a more diffused look. For my lashes, I'm gonna go in with my Go Big or Go Home mascara from KVD Beauty. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I attempted to put on some lashes. It's a disaster. I may just take them off, but for now. So I am going to highlight my cheeks and down the bridge of my nose with my Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. I broke it, so I can't even show you. Yeah, it's a hot mess. So I'm just gonna use a little bit. For now, me, I might overdo it. I'm gonna line my lips with my NYX lip liner in the shade Nutmeg. With the Too Faced lip gloss in the shade Two Night Stand. Just keep it simple. And I'm gonna spray my face down with my Iconic London setting spray. And I'm going to use my beauty blender to tap everything in. So for my hair, you can see my hair is in a wrap. I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair into a low bun. I'm going to add some of my Proclaim Olive Oil Glossing Polish to my hair. And I'm gonna part off a section of my hair. I wanna come from this side. I wanna do like a low side part bun look. Comb the hair forward and over. Just gonna brush this back. And I'm going to use some of my Eco Styling Gel and also my Lotta Body Edge Control. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit because I don't like to use a lot. I'm not really an edge control sleek gel done type of girl because I'm trying to protect my edges. So I'm just gonna use a tiny bit as possible on my parted out areas and also along my edges. I'm just gonna blend that in. Brush the hair down. I'm gonna put this in a ponytail, just a loose one so that I can fix my hair how I like it and then go back in. I'm gonna pull some of my sideburns out. And now I'm gonna go in with my Tame Me Lotta Body Edge Control and sleek this down. Gonna use my detangling brush and try to smooth that out. And I'm going to use my Old Faithful toothbrush, and this is a new one by the way, so it's not gross. And I'm going to use my detangling brush to smooth out the back of my hair. I can always leave it down like this, which I think is so cute. So I might just leave this down. I wanted a low bun though, but this is just so cute. Okay, let me just do a low bun. I'm gonna use my hair tie and just wrap this about 3 times, and the last one I'm just gonna fold the bun under and tuck it in. A nice bun. Let me put up back my sideburns. I'm just gonna use a little bit of the gel to lay it down. I'm gonna put some of the gel in the nape area. So yeah, this is my messy low bun type of look. I mean, I could sleek it down a bit more with the gel and the edge control, but I don't want all of that on my hair. And let me get dressed because time is of the essence and time is going, child. So I'm gonna get into what I'm wearing, and this top I showcase in my Zara haul, I believe. And I'm gonna pair them with these shorts that I showcase on my Zara haul as well. I'm gonna pair everything with these YSL OPM black and gold sandals, and as you can see, my jewelry, they are gold, so it matches with the shoes as well. And I'm gonna match it with this Old Faithful black purse from Forever 21 that I have for a lot of years. I actually probably got rid of now, but I love this bag so much. It's just a true faithful bag, so I'm gonna pair my outfit with this one. And for fragrance, I'm gonna use the Versace Dylan Blue, and this one, it smells divine. It's super seductive, it's just sexy, and it's just grown people vibes. So I'm gonna be rocking this one tonight. It's just amazing. I want to thank you so much for watching my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.